Umngane wami no Phumla sihlangene COVID-19 pandemic.
Yeah.
Nasabaqala kuvula. They did open baphinze bavala. Nabavula, she was booked Siyapa eseKaslam. Halfway. So Jay wangifonela wathi kuse Phumla utanga lapho ne ngicela ukuthi uyoba naye lapha because Jay na Phumla bebahlala edeskini leli1 and then kabo Phumla bahlala na Jay for ngathi bo 2 years. Yabo just ukuthi bathathe Jay bambonisa indlela because bambona anale potential lanayo manje. So ngaya lapha na Phumla ngafika ngathi introducer and then we relaxa. Ngamtshela ukuthi I'm going to open for you. I opened the stage for yena. Wathi ucala ngibona after la qeda kucula. She went to sing